This is good morning. This is the test. I'll probably keep it going. I have to see how my microphone audio and I'm gonna come back and write this program called RIT and experiment with things and work on some. I'm gonna learn Phaser.js. I think that's what Phaser.js game dev stuff today. I've been working on some hackathon thing and then some fun stuff and some serious stuff, and I just need gonna play in the web browser today. I'll probably change this thing to play in the web browser. This song's good. Alright. Audio. I have to go to the I spent an hour getting OBS set up again. We'll find out if it's a better way or not. I guess I should just install the Quick app. Honestly, I'm really amazed that people are set up to stream like non-stop, work just everyday life. Everything's just work. People who don't stream may not realize it can be a lot of work. Like you might have a really nice setup and things are made easy, but like it's just crazy to get into the groove of things. Fix all the little problems. All right. Weird by the little restream chat box that got me hackathon day 1. Well, it's day 14. I'd like to work on a lot new with the internet outage the other day. Screwed up a lot of stuff. I probably have to start over. Yeah, it still says bolt.new hackathon day 1. What did I change? I don't have to do. If anything, get into a routine and then stuff is set. I'm feeling and coding today. All titles. I did this on the website already. I realize now I don't have to go to the website. You know what? Okay. To do. I'm gonna work on RIT development. We're gonna look at Bolt again. RIT development. Do a little hash today. Get development, look at both again. Phaser, yeah. Experiments. Dip drop. Got it. It's always goes back to dip drop. Anyhow, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go check. Today. Setting up the stream again first. So there's yeah. All right. No, I don't want to do that shit. The Google Play Store. I'm installing Twitch app again on my phone. I haven't installed it. And so while it's installing, there's a sponsored link right at the top. It just says install. And I had already hit install on Twitch, but it was for a different app. The sponsored like link, boom, you hit install. It's like basically I was actually installing some crap that just happened to pop up. Good morning. Happy Saturday. It has been probably just about a year where I was trying to get some sort of not even half decent, barely decent stream setup going. And now I'm thinking back, you know what? Kind of haven't came a long way, but long way since last year. I have a promo, or not a promo, but, oh, and I finally figured out, I was like, oh, just like in my scene here, is to this, I just have my editor up, I can switch if I want to. I'll have to do this, like, boom, to display. Good morning. An editor. And when I'm on display, I can, switch between my monitors, editor. Now I'm switching, but my editor scene just has just my editor. So I can more carefully show and know what I'm showing on the screen or not. Editor. Yep. For a lot of things, it's like I've got to jump to my emails. So it's just so much easier to, like, instead of sharing my whole display, I can switch between display and editor. Always know and see where I'm at. Check. Okay. It's not that early for someone's already mowing. So now I need headphones. It's gonna be a hell of a day. It's kind of funny. I could be streaming and like want to step outside or something. Keep my music going. Have it on my phone. Very good people stream. Okay, I guess the music from Spotify comes through all right. Hey, did I actually get my audio halfway decent? Twitch is showing me like 20 things. Like, mod viewer here. Oh, Twitch isn't responding. Wait. Oh gosh, now that I installed Twitch on my phone again, 15 different notifications are coming through. Ding, ding. Oh, there we go. All right, so mic check, mic check, mic check. Test, test. I think it's good. I'm not gonna screw with it. So I'm gonna mute and be back. I guess, well, I know the music's off, but alright. I'm gonna call it good. Alright, quick mic check again. It cuts out a little bit, doesn't it? Let me try one thing. I turned a knob and did not like that. I'm gonna try another thing. So, I adjust my speaker output. It still keeps the, okay. And I guess I'm loud enough too. I'm thinking. Alright, I guess I'll turn on video for this one too. And I'm gonna adjust one thing. So I'm gonna cut my video frame down. Control E. We're gonna try top left 300. Gonna go top left 400. Ooh. I'll take that one. Makes me a lot better. It's like a weird aspect ratio. I know what I'll do is and then roll with that. All right. I'm starting a project called RIT, R-I-T. Let's display. Oh, shoot. I need to copy over. So this 3. So let me try something. Go to this one. I remove this one. We're gonna do. I'm playing with OpenDev. Rename that. Ooh, so I don't want to delete it. Copy. No, wrong one. Copy this one. Switch to this screen. There we go. Now get rid of the one in the back. How do I do that? There we go. This one. Hey, I did it. Good deal. So here's my idea. This is based upon conversations yesterday about Git and crazy ideas for ideas. And I'm streaming this so I can record it, document it, because I want to do this in like a little bit of time, and I never mess with it. Here's the ideas for Git enhanced, and it has this idea of like distributed not necessarily like real time sync. Like per line / file caching, and then Griffin's Oh My God project. I want to make something that, so it's, this is GitHub as a database. So I don't know what this video looks like, but I know that you have a collection that is our data. And it has like, let's say it's one file, 500 lines. You would have like, I know how to make tables in Markdown. This is in Obsidian. I don't know why the music stopped.
Can feel the power. Can feel the power. Can feel the power.
Oh, I don't know. I guess it's a slide for a second. Yeah, my voice audio is lagging. If I turn this up, does it make the volume? No. Oh, wait. Wait. All right, so anyhow, anyhow, you have this, you have an OMG, you have an OMG repo. It's a collection of data. This data is metadata about files /. And so you have person 1, person 2. Then they're working on file A. Person 2 is working on file A.
Can feel the power. Can feel the power. Can feel the power. Can feel the power. Can feel the power.
Person 1 make the commit.
Can feel the power.
we're gonna do two different
Can you feel
two
the power?
feel the power. Person one is A. Person two is A also. Person one makes it they pitch to their branch. T1 branch. Right? Person two is
Can you feel the power?
they make and they pitch person two. Oh. They have a shot. They have a shot. The diff between these shots, right? The diff between these two shots is used to the diff between these two shows. The diff between these two shots is used to check. I guess I should zoom a little bit without strength. The diff between these two shots is used to check the line numbers. Which the main branch has a hash for each line right? It's crazy. I know it's crazy. The diff between these two shells is used to check the line numbers, which the branch has a hash for each line of the file. The main branch. Can't we do this and make it get the main branch as a hash? Just double under like this one, right? Yeah, it worked. Gold plus italic. The diff between these two shells is used to check the line numbers, which the main branch has a hash for each line of the file. I'm checking something. I feel like the audio sucks again. It's lagging. Check. Here, I know what I should do. We're gonna switch over here. I'm gonna really jump into this in a second. I I just dropped the music a little bit. By about half. I guess it's all right. Oh, let me try something. There, I switched the setting. Ooh, I'm really loud now. I switched the setting on my little interface. Ooh. I'm gonna leave it. I just turn my monitor volume down. I guess it's better. Well, yeah, I guess that's fine. I'm gonna go music up more though. Okay, and now I'm not gonna worry about it. All right, back to, let me switch screens. Go to here. There we go. So the diff between these two SHAs is used to check the line numbers, which the main branch has the hash for each file. Line of the file. And by this main branch, you have all these rows. And a row has a file name, a branch, a hash, a branch with the commit hash, right? A line count, line hashes. Okay. Commit hash, line count, and line hash. And then you may have, we'll say like, this is May. So this would be like, we're going to draw a picture with in mark. I know there's a way to do this with in mark, but you have, we're going to call this file A, main, child 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's say it's 500 line. And so what is this, a list of, is this a foreign key? So foreign relation. I'm just going to say key to all line. And or like, does this file have its own table of hashes? I can move this right here. Does this file have its own I keep saying table, but that's not exactly what it is. I'm thinking so hard about this. So that's, here's the main branch. I know I'm OT about. No, I don't know. Whatever. Or the all right. I see what I did. I messed up my whole structure here of the file array. Oh, it is cutting out. I'm putting in chat just to test again to see.
With the wideband circuits,
All right. All right. So file A is one file. This is one file on the main branch. It has its latest commit hash. There's 500 lines. And each line has some unique key for each line. Person 1's working on file A in their branch. Person 2's working on file A in their branch. The diff between these two is used to check line numbers. So, you now have P1, P2, main. This is the difficult problem to solve here. We're not even talking, have they even made a commit, or did they just save the file? Is it real-time distributed? We're gonna say that real-time distributed is a separate problem to build on. But in this case, we'll go out of the all caps, put in the simplest case, P1, which is making P2, so then you end up with, check this out, it's coming together in my head now. You have file A, P1, you have P1 branch, They have a commit show. I don't know yet about the chain one. I'm just gonna grab all of this. Copy. Boom. 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 Need a P2 branch. Okay, I feel like this, like main, is a table. Rows. Main. This. Rows. Of branches. And you have this kind of structure. You have the same structure, except this one is just like whatever the branch is. And it has line hatches. And so you can look at, you're already going to have, so where do you do the differences? And like how and why do you properly you don't want to do actual automatic merges between these. What's important is the line diffs. So the line differences between, let's say, one line change. And there's a diff. You could have, let's say P2 branch is still the same as main, and there's only a change on one side. You would have cases for P1, P2. both are equal main. P1 has additional lines. P2, no addition, and even with main. We have P2 has additional line. P1, no addition. And even with main. So what happens in a file? You have lines added or deleted, lines changed, and either of these are, changed. The line number, you add a line above one, then the line number is going to change. And this is crazy. Lines added, deleted, or they just change. The added or deleted is both going to have to change. Does it matter if there's new ones? Yes. What if there's only new ones that like P2 doesn't have? P2 might want those or they don't care about them. Or they have just additional lines. New line, deleted lines, altered, you have like altered and similar, like this, or altered via a moved. You have like I think that's going too granular. And do I care? Do I just care about a change? Because this again is about notification, just showing div. So I think I have enough to start. And so what does this have to do with GitHub as a database? Chris Griffin, Oh My God project is I don't know, it's just a weird ass idea. Store hashes of a line in a file. So let me go to my editor. I started a project called RIT. So I'm in here. We're gonna do like BRB. Okay. This. Zoom out on this a bit. Save. Open my editor. So I initialized the Git repository called RIT. One thing I'm going to do is I'm going through the. Let me close a couple windows and I can jump over to this. Other one. I'm working done to do the, oh my god. So I'm on Windows, normally on Linux, and on Windows Stream, so it's VS Code with the WSL or the Git Bash. And packages looking for funding. 9 packages. So I'm install. So collections are the primary way to organize validated data. A unique ID, schema validation, ID singular name or plural name, in a directory. So adapters are for platform specific operations. Okay, you know about that. Full React GitHub example. I will go to the demo after some time. Their collection name. Import Z from Zod. Okay, so I guess Zod. I don't know about Zod. Let me switch to editor so I can pull up Zod docs. Alright, I have the Zod docs up. I have no idea what TypeScript first validation. So everything is a Zod object with a key and like a type. And it's calling string on the parsed result is validated in TypeScript. Okay. You know what? I don't know why I'm not using this in another project that I have. It's a Next.js project, and I'm still figuring out, how Next works, but it may be using Zod. Oh, these are sponsors. Okay. So that's it. You just call parse. Basic features. Alright. I didn't really expect to be using TypeScript to build what RIT is, but actually really thought about, okay, the fundamental, whatever I would call this RIT core or engine, I really consider Kotlin native because it can be built cross-platform and has like concurrency, async, and networking capabilities. So I'm trying to build like this basic idea here though, where it's like all I want is I want to have a file, read a file. Okay, we're gonna go down here. Core function is read a file by line, generate line hashes, and then store in XYZ DB structure of some sort. I don't know what that looks like yet. That's what. And so then a project has files, file, that's it. And then you have you basically have for the entire thing then this collection of metadata and all line hashes. All right, so going back to Zod. Oh, so you can do, there's JSON schema. Oh, it's new. Z to JSON schema. All schema and checks are converted to their closest JSON schema equivalent. Some types have no analog and cannot be reasonably represented, right? Unrepresented, of course. It's like a union. They just called it unrepresentable. String formats. This is cool. This is really cool. Because you're getting validation, but object schema. So you do z.object. Ooh, file schema. So this using Zod, which is already been part of this project because it's a OMG thing, I would have never thought to use or do this. Let me switch back to my editor. I'm going to search something, is using Zod with check this out. Zodable. Zod and Pydantic schemas from Kotlin classes for seamless back and front end integration. Many developers use Kotlin for backend services due to its conciseness, type safety, and interoperability with Java. However, for front-end integration, especially JavaScript and TypeScript or Python, you have to manually create these definitions and data structures, right? When was this made? March? Is that this March? So I could have this distributed, networked, real-time thing that's cross-platform, native, in Kotlin. While there is no real front-end aspect to this. All I need to do is represent a couple things. It's not, yeah. So the watching of files and changes and all that can be in Kotlin, but generates the data and all through these schemas using Zodable. And so then I'm going to Google something else is calling TypeScript node in like a Kotlin process. I'm opening two different links here. This person, okay, I'm just gonna go to this, but is a Stack Overflow question. I wrote some lines of code in Kotlin now. I want to execute this function from JavaScript or Node.js. I only find, yeah. Yeah, so we ended up on a rabbit hole here of generating Zod and Pydantic schemas, Kotlin TypeScript integration. This is, I don't know what this website is. The plugin is published in the Gradle plugin registry, so it's a TypeScript plugin. You can generate TypeScript declarations, and you can add it to your modules. Generate package JSON with types, generate TypeScript definition. It's like bundling a a node package into your Kotlin environment. Shoot, I have to start taking notes on this stuff. So this is bookmarked. Let's switch over to here. I'm gonna go down to here. Let's see. I should have this, yeah, in a canvas. That's what I should be doing with that. Let me switch to editor because I need to. Switch back to display. Grit project, grit, resources, and link. We're doing that one. Switch back to here. Using JavaScript code from Kotlin Interop. Boom. What did that say? The IR compiler, Interop. Or what is IR? Cobweb. Really? Inspired. Is this brand new? Because I have not heard about this at all yet. Go to their website now too. Kvision is an object-oriented web framework in Kotlin.js, ready to use components. What? See, I've only known about Ktor. Well, my life just kind of changed because I have some stuff I'm working on, and okay, so I have that link for Interop. This is the other page, so I don't have to look this stuff up again. I have that one. Web apps in Kotlin. When was this even made? I'm going to go to their GitHub. Look at the commits. Last month, 3 months ago. Three years ago. Okay. I just haven't heard of it. I know Ktor is like the... I'm not going to look at this stuff right now. It's too big of a distraction. Why is it... I've got to go all in. Like everything. I kept on saying it earlier this year and I just didn't. Whoa. So the home page is a function. Hold on. The home page is a function. And like we're defining some column. And like button is a function. Now it could get no pun intended. It could get really hairy with how, I mean, this is just one page. It's like at composable at page. Doing stuff like, you know, with your content itself. Like, I'm going to be looking into this more. Anyhow, well, I know that I can have Kotlin and JavaScript put together. We're going to do stack. Like for native, like writ itself can be written in Kotlin. For writ can be a native. We're going to say native Kotlin application. We're just going to call it native Kotlin application because it can be extended. Networking, this util, async stuff. This util, async. I'm gonna say plug in bubble. So like you want to build a UI for your diffs. Anyhow, all right. We are going to, I'm going to take a break. Cool. So all I have to do is mute and disable video. So muting, I'll be back. Be right back at 12 noon EDT. All right, mic check. All right, I have some thoughts I got to get out real quick. Get rid of the BRB line here. You have like what bases? You have okay. The thoughts are that the core that's native Kotlin app, and I'm gonna use. Probably end up using IntelliJ then, or the Kotlin, all the Kotlin tools. Kotlin, native, and or / the multi-platform thing, and you have multi-platform. Yeah, Kotlin native multi-platform app, and then you have the whole TypeScript JS packaged within it, right? But I don't know if the TypeScript JS stuff will work with the native builds. And actually be cross-platform. Okay, so but I'm starting out right now. This is just an NPM application. So you have one. You just have you have a single Kotlin script that reads gen hashes, and then you have two Zod, the Zodable table. This only has to be, this is internal, a user won't be generating their own table schemas. So it's I have to be careful. Don't build a framework for the tool that you're building, right? It's you build one thing and it turns into a framework for building other type of application, like a setup. You're building a tool and it turns into its own tool for building the tool. I have to look at the Ko-Fi thing. Let me jump to this. I logged in with the wrong social account, and I'm glad they have a start over button. It was like, okay, sign up with this email. I'm like, no, start over. I forgot how kind of awesome Ko-Fi Source is. Apparently I have chatbot set up for both for YouTube and Slack. The YouTube one doesn't have a timed thing. I'll have to look at this again more in the future. All right. So I'm gonna close this, and I'm going to. So here's the plan. Let me switch back to. I can do my display again. The plan. I re-pulled up Twitch on my phone. And it was doing some crazy things. Alright. So I have Stack and Resources, Codebase's native platform to TS. So this is I'm starting here and worrying about this over time, because I'm gonna get oh my god. So this is React based, and this isn't what I want. I want to be able to. I need to figure out how this works. So because I want a set up the owner, set up repo name, GitHub tokens. So how this work is that you have an application. It's a RIT application. But the repo for the RIT application, it's just your hash lines. So I need to put this. So notes dot markdown here. So users. They have a project. I'm thinking. Users have a project, and it's their project repo. It's connected to RIT. Connected to RIT. And this has their hashlines repo. It's so crazy. Which is shared OMG setup. So these functions, I'm using OMG like a library. Only so there's these setup things. This is why the OMG is involved. The Oh My God by Chris Griffin. The OMG is involved because it has these GitHub integrations already for connecting and doing these like GitHub user management things, and storing data, which is my hashlines table, which is a user's hashlines table. So the first thing I want to do, so this simple application that needs a database, right, is a end user's use of RIT. So here they're creating a widget for this collection. Engine.add to collection. Widgets, new widget. And so how do you just run this file? I have no idea. That's JSON database. See. Oh, I need to go to this README. Okay. Because I'm an end user in a weird ass way. This is the core package. I ran npm this one for React. I don't need that. I'm going to leave it as a dependency for now. I need this. So I'm going to start is don't want all of that. What is it? npm install this. All right. So they have this, it's the same README. Yeah. Create a collection. See? The widgets even already have their own random UUID. New engine. I can add my own adapter here. App config persisted true. Collections are the primary way to organize and validate your data. An ID. Stores it in a directory. The engine is the main interface for interacting with, yeah. Collection operation. How does that work? This right here is like this is like everything I need to do, because like basically I need a table with like 5 fields. But I'm gonna look at there's an example in here. I just watched this built. What? Oh, because it moved. Did it move? I don't know. Okay. So this does both. What I want to see is what the... Ooh. Widgets with a widget ID, and then the config, and then this. I want to see what the data looks like. Engine, description. How does this work? What's the whole real-time part? State? No. Okay, so this is the example. This is their schema. This is the Zod stuff, singular, plurals. So that's why I have the Zod docs up. So you go Kotlin to Zodable to this in a well, not really. You do this is a Node app. So uses npm, package that into the Kotlin app, so then Kotlin can call into a wrapper around some of these functions, just these odd functions, the OMG function. But so what does this data end up looking like? Where does it get stored in the directory? Oh, so here's the data type. New, and then slashed, like this is like the API. This is their page. Where does the data go? State? It's in util. I wonder what Tailwind merge is. I might need that for something else I have. File? No. These are SVGs. Is it outside of here? Is it? So where do the Zod schemas? Are they not within this? Is it not being stored? All right, so what I need to do is start with eventually I need to call like these functions from core from Kotlin, but I'm going to start by calling them standalone. I want to, we're going to copy this file. Because here you start to build out, basically I want one table of hash line. So here's the schema, collection. I know this one's plural. singular plural validator, because in Zod you have this type of stuff. And because Zod is like right there already, there's so many more Zod functions that can use. They have these JSON schema. I don't know to use that. Using JSON doesn't work or doesn't make sense. But over the wire, it does make sense. There's going to have to be that. Let's see what metadata and registries is all about. I have to respond to a text. Registries are collections of schemas, each associated with some strongly typed nodes. Registry is a description of this. To register, look up and remove schemas from a registry. Interesting. So it's like info about your schema that you don't want to store in the schema. Metadata inline. Okay. Yeah. Like description or whatever. And there's a global registry. Alright. I know it's like too, but sorry. I had to reload Twitch on here and it's probably gonna go haywire again. Okay. So you have a global registry in Zod. And it has an ID and a title, a description, and all these things. So like they register this email schema, register z.global registry. Use the meta method to register a schema. And do you have to create a schema then register it, or you can do both at once? Or yeah, z.email and then boom.meta equals. So it's like a table. It's confusing to me because there's no like engine around this. Even if you were to do this store, like these and just, you know, any sort of database and actually have a database engine. Meta is now the recommended approach instead of describe. So a custom registry be like this, pass an object, referencing inferred types. Constraint, schemas. The library authors. Is that Zod Mini? What is Zod Mini? Functional tree shakeable API. Functions in place of methods. So like common functions. And so this way you use Zod in a way that makes it more tree shakeable because it's all functional. Like first class, not method on container or container like object. It is 12:30. What do I want to do first? I need to go back to this. Like, how do I start? Like, here's the full example. Got this. Ooh. So it auto updates as you edit the file. Yeah, but where's it stored? Like, you have a collection, where do collections end up getting stored? So like in here in this demo, source lib utils doesn't do anything. You have to define a repository for it to store in. So this demo, source app. Page, main page. Let's see. Okay, main page. You have new and then slug. Then here. Here, this page is importing these. And they're calling the state z.infer and then the validators. I hate this next. Use engine. I wonder, so like any of these, they're not. Okay. Fetch collection items. Then do that. Set all of them to what gets assigned up there. So it sets all of them. So like on delete, boom. So these call through the GitHub API, like automatically. And it's doing this from the browser. Shit. So how do I call this? How do I make this call? It calls like through the GitHub API from the command line. Just TypeScript from, like if I were to execute this from my system, from Node, how does that work? I don't need like stuff like this. All I need to do is on delete and set. Like this right here. Where is this function? Find, undo. This comes from engine, and engine is this. So set all all right. Full core. I need to get the core. Here that is. Set. This engine gives you these functions that this one, no, back, Where did I find that? Yeah, this page. No. Setting. There we go. Yeah. This is the settings page for setting. Oh. So a writ. This whole setting part is like could be. This is. I don't need any of this like functionality necessarily. I don't need a front end. Where's the file I wanted? Where's the calling set and all? So you have engine. I'm gonna go back to the main README now. So if I copy this whole file, TypeScript file, and I run this, are these? Yeah, these are going to call my repo, right? I'm gonna grab this file. Step one, I'm gonna grab this file, put in GitHub information. And run this again. Yeah. I have this. We're gonna do GAAD test TypeScript. I'm gonna have to Google a couple silly things. Here, paste that in, and I gotta switch my view really thing. At make API calls. Dino can run TypeScript files. Oh, it needs to be TSC hold on. F2 to rename. JSX, TypeScript X, TS TypeScript. I have to install TS Node. So npm install globally ts-node. Shit. All right. I should be able to say that TS node, TS-node, command not found. I want to install Dino, right? npm install globally Dino. Is that how you're even supposed to install Dino? Is that a thing? I didn't install something stupid, did I? Shit, no. Oh wait, yeah. It's alright. I guess I have the Dino doc open there too. So you can just run a plain TypeScript file with Dino run. Nice. Little weird things here. If I do Dino run, this is gonna Dino command that down. Oh. Google something else. I'm reading about how to put wait, what? I guess I can just do this within VS Code. Really? Hold on. Extensions, Dino extension. I kind of want to do this on, I'm on Windows and so adding, yeah, Dino run. Adding like this global npm install and then adding that to my path is different than I don't want to screw it. So that. And now if I do, you know, attach to a node process, enable. Alright. Initialize. I'm saving everything here as a workspace. Wait, what is this yelling at me about? Oh, something about my get author. Whatever. Okay. Yeah, so like Dino command not found. Alright, so Google. At least I have that. I don't care about the Dino on running it from VS Code. I want oh, I need the Dino CLI. Oh, official doc. Set up your environment. Set up your here. I want to do shell completion, installation. It's just that my hold on. Let me Google something else. Oh. Is there a Dino prompt? Dino CLI something different? Dino run. Right. I'm getting annoyed. Yeah, I get bash. I do have to add Gino to my Windows path. NPM. I don't even know what's up with Chocolatey as a package manager. And then Scoop is a command line installer. Maybe I should get Scoop. Oh, is it for PowerShell? Yeah. Yes, and not found Dino. Let me try one more thing. So let me see if it might if get bash outside of the code. No, what Dino is. No. I just want to run this TypeScript file. So and then I get bash. I don't have and home slash dot bash list home dot all. Here we go. I found something helpful. Is yeah, get bash isn't seeing my path. I will get this book. I'm gonna run out of time and patience today. I have to run. Let's see, how do you do this? System user environment variable, user profile, setting. It's annoying. Oh my gosh. Now it's just like cancel. We're going to do environment. We want to a path. We want to do Node.js is not there. Okay, let me make sure I get this right. Add. Can I just do? Can I do just node? Git bash was using that, but not the latest. Yeah, this is about adding it to Go. I hate Windows. It seems that, yeah, Git bash is always able to be People are crazy. Yeah. So C program file Node.js is there. There we go, I found it. It'd be crazy if I had no, it doesn't have it. If Node.js is a freaking program file. But where did Gino? Let me do something stupid. It's just Gino install npm install. I just added that to this package, but I'll leave it. Create a bin directory and root. Just add the cbin. Let me try something really crazy. Where is main node? I can't imagine trying to develop like Windows. List app. Like only one thing in there. And then list program files. Spaces. Directory. So we're going to do make directory bin. RC. What did the person do? What did they do? say path equals that. I'm gonna lose my mind trying to just like I'm getting nowhere with just trying to get Ordino to run. There's a GitHub issue about this. Yep, on Dino install, like they add it automatically. They can read, yeah. Yeah, without needing to restart. This was February 4, whatever. They keep on. How long does this thread go for? Is it still open? Oh. I feel like I'm not installing this how I should within Git Bash. Now it's looking for what? Warning. Now it pulls it up because I created one. Clothes will be created for you. Okay. So, did it get edited? No, because I have it open. Alright, I have it closed. This is a stupid Git Bash Windows thing. Can I go to like this? Git Bash is the default. So where is global load node module at? I don't know. Here we go. Yeah, the Windows installation path on issue 6,779 on the Dino issue. It already put step gen into that home.dino. So what is the solution? Do you look, I like do like finder, type, all right. Windows, get bash. Can't find, after npm install globally. Yep. We recommend the shell install script for better performance. Yeah, can't find install, but you can't find any node module for it. The npm global script for your path. That's what I want instead of just the okay. And I need to add npm to my bash RC. What's it? It's the app data roaming directory, apparently. Source. I have to quit for a while. Come back later. Hi, Lily or Lali. Leli, if you're still around. Sorry, I meant to say hello and not Ella. Still not found. We're gonna do there we go. not in this. VS Code has a bin. Wait. Directory? I'm so confused. Alright, I'm checking out for a bit. Let's pick up next time.